we do need to mount the AIO into the case. So we're going to do the radiator first, just to make sure that's out of the way and things are kind of more locked down. So hopefully we can get all of the cabling done without too much trouble. Side against the screen just because best case scenario it's still hidden behind this wire and no one's gonna see it, and then worst case scenario I could mount on the front, but then it would kind of take away from the cleanness of how this all looks.